Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A11 versus the Vivo Y11, and the Vivo Y11 comes with a Snapdragon 439 chipset with a 2GB of RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy A11 is powered by Snapdragon 450 chipset, which is a really old chipset with a 2GB of RAM as well. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without any wasting time, let's find out in this video. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Logo came up first, little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A11, followed by the Vivo Y11, and Vivo Y11 is running on Android 9 Pie versus Android 10 on the Samsung Galaxy A11. And let's see who is faster there. And you can see that the Vivo Y11, it is just a tiny bit faster when it comes to booting up, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A11. And guys, you can see that we get a notch display on the Vivo Y11 compared to a punch hole display on the Samsung Galaxy A11, but we get a IPS 3 display compared to a TFT display on the Samsung Galaxy A11. And overall, I have to say, in my opinion, the display looks a little bit better on the Samsung Galaxy A11, I have to say. I guess you can see that everything is closed up in the background, no app is running in the background. And we're gonna start off by basic stuff. We have phone dialer, and that is a little bit faster on the Vivo Y11, followed by the A11. Amazon shopping on both phones, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And you can see that Samsung Galaxy A11, it is just a tiny bit faster there, but I have to say about the same on both phones. And the scrolling, it also feels really smooth on the Vivo Y11 compared to the A11 in the start. The Twitter and faster on the Vivo Y11, followed by the A11. Candy Crush Saga, and you can see that A11, it feels more responsive in the touch wise, I have to say. But at the end, Vivo Y11, it is faster there. Subway Surfer, and you can see that Vivo Y11, it is just a tiny bit faster there in the loading area. And you can see Vivo Y11, it is faster there, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A11. And last time I launched the cameras on both phones, default camera app, and that is a little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A11. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Samsung internet browser versus a Google Chrome. On the Vivo Y11, we have wikipedia.org first website, and you can see that A11, it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Vivo Y11, and the scrolling feels very smooth on both phones. And guys, now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. We get a 2GB of RAM versus a 3GB of RAM on the Vivo Y11. Let's see who is performed better in the RAM measurement. I don't open a lot of apps that I opened in my last speed test. Phone dialer, that is refresh on the Vivo Y11. Amazon shopping, Twitter, that is refresh on the Y11. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga, and same result. Subway Surfer, refresh on both phones. Last way back to the internet browser, that is not refresh on both phones, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is a little bit faster on the Vivo Y11 thanks to Snapdragon 439 chipset, while the Samsung Galaxy A11, it is right behind to the Vivo Y11. RAM measurement, it is a little bit better on the Samsung Galaxy A11, but many application refresh on the Vivo Y11. I hope the RAM measurement will fix with some software updates on both these two devices. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A11 versus the Vivo Y11. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.